Okay, I was wondering if I was recording. Hello, I'm playing with my sunset slime. So right now, as you can see, it has, so the sunset slime is orange slime with pink and orange color with glitter. I was about to say Skittles, but glitter. So it's pretty decent size. It's about the size of my hand. It's just because it's in a bag. So as you can see the orange and the pink. So I just wanted to record this video because I don't think we reached 20 subscribers, so I didn't do that ice bucket challenge, but if we can hit at least 10, maybe 15.
Yeah.
If we get 15 subscribers, because I want to make my way up to more and more, maybe I can do more slime videos.
Yeah, then everybody would watch it. Because
But
I'm a vampire.
it's food coloring.
I ate food coloring.
So go check it out on Sagan's Pretend YouTube channel. Her YouTube channel name is nothing, because she doesn't have one. But I hope you enjoyed this video.
Wait, you didn't even play with it.
I did. Okay, fine. Okay, fine. I'll play with it. Okay, so
ASMR.
no. Sorry for this bad camera angle. I need to get it. Okay. You can see the glitter in it. It's so pretty.
Kind of like metallic.
And if you want to see more of this, make sure you leave a like at least, because that will show your appreciation. So I hope you have a great day, and make sure to subscribe. Goodbye.